work full time because I get up every morning.
From my end for the show, it's my word of the week is overcompensate. In a world weighed down by confusion, noise, and complexity, choose to overcompensate, not with anger or excess, but with kindness, warmth, and compassion. Where there's division, bring understanding. Where there is coldness, bring humanity. Let your presence become a sturdy light for those navigating uncertainty. Overcompensate with hope, with patience, with grace, because sometimes, only sometimes, the greatest leadership is found not in control, but in care. When the world grows harsh, overcompensate with humanity. It is the quiet power that restores dignity. That word, dignity. Let us untrain the instincts of uncouthness and greed, and instead cultivate a spirit that builds harmony, restores respect, and advances justice. As we reflect, in the presence of those entrusted with upholding the Constitution, we are reminded that justice is not only a principle, it is a daily practice. It's a lived reality. Make it real in how you speak, how you act, and how you treat others. We must remind ourselves that justice begins long before the courtroom. It lives in the choices we make. Archbishop Desmond Tutu once said, "Do your little bit of good, and do your little bit of good where you are." It is those little bits of good put together that overwhelm the world. This week, let us overcompensate and overwhelm the world with kindness, with hope, and compassion. That was the show for today.